Okay, hey, what's up, everybody? I had to fix my audio. Sorry about that. Last video, I just took it off the line. This is the fix to the last one because my audio is bad. A lot has happened since then. I was trying to get this recorded faster, but thanks, Mockins, for the for letting me know. Um, so if you see what's happening here, let me blow this up a little bit more. Watch this. I'm gonna go to my last idea that I posted. And here it is right here. If you see, it's actually been down here. It went down here, even though it's crossed this. And I know we all believe it's going to the upside. Even I believe it's going to the upside, and that's the real inherent problem because it continues to linger below the 200-day moving average. It's going above it and then coming back below it. It did it over here to me yesterday too. It shook me out. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out if I should go short right here, or if I should wait and go long right here. The next time it does it, it's doing it, and it's eventually is crossing. Eventually it ends up crossing, but it could be going back down below it. That's the funny thing about these moving averages is you can see like right here, back here, this moving average is going down. It's not going up, and this is on the hourly. And now if this was a daily, we have a different effect going on here. But we're in a correction. We haven't finished correcting. Obviously, we haven't not finished correcting yet. This has to come down lower. This RSI has to come down at least, probably, I don't know, probably down here before we actually see a correction down to the 39 level right here. Maybe. I don't know. All right, check it. Here the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, let's look at it. Here it is. I'm just going fast, right? Now look, we're hovering on top of it. All right, boom. Every time it touches it, it goes bouncing off of it. Boom. It comes all the way down here though. It can come down here. All right, look. It can even come down here. From up here, okay, to down here. So what makes you think it's not gonna come down even further? That's what we're playing with. We're playing with support right here. This is nice level support right here. This is support level right here. Is this a support level? This is all support right here. 12. Somebody said, man, it's about to break this support and come all the way down to this 8,000 level. Are you ready to purchase at 8,000? I am. Hopefully. I'm waiting right now. I swear to God, I'm waiting right now. I don't know how fast it's going down there, but in the meantime, we can't wait forever. So I'm a trader. You know, I'm trading anything moving with the biggest profit, and right now that's Bitcoin and that's these leverage accounts. Getting in and getting out is all I'm trying to do right about now. But I gotta also record this on my channel so I can get a good look at what's going on. Now this is 240. This is an hourly, and it's bouncing right here. Can it go down here? Of course it can. Can it go down here? Of course it can. Can it go down here? Of course it can. But how soon? All right, let's go back to the hourly on this end right here because I'm watching it on the hourly. If I go to the 4 hours, I mean, God, look at it. That's how it looks. It hasn't crossed yet. It hasn't crossed below it. I don't think it's going to go below this. I think it's bouncing off of here and continuing and then continuing to go up. But let's see how this pans out. Now back to the hourly. We're crossing it now. Okay. Can we go to the upside? Can we continue from here, or are we going to go and come down even lower? All right, that's what we're looking at. And I'm gonna look at this red line. It has to curve. Our 200 moving day average has to curve upwards for us to see an uptrend. Right now we're in a downtrend, so it's kind of curving. It's kind of curving. It went all the way up, then it sharply curved right there. Can we do another sharp downturn? Yeah, we can. We're going down right now. Of course we can. This is a downtrend, okay? So you got to be careful when you plan this. And if it's not coming back past this 17, all right, 16, 17, it has to get up over here. You know, it got to get back up over here. That's where we was last time. So, and I marked it off right there. So we're eyeing this. And I wanted to show you guys my idea for my last post, right? And I'm gonna be sharing these ideas I got because what I want you to see is this is a minute chart right here on the same. We're tracking Bitstamp. Here's a Bitstamp on the hourly, and here's Bitcoin on the Bitstamp on a minute by minute basis right here, and everything is downtrend, right? Minutes tend to make their own moving averages, as you can see. Let me hit auto. I'm sorry. And you know, I'm still underneath where my position was at yesterday because I was wrong. I was brazenly wrong. But I still think we're going up. Everybody thinks we're going up, and that's what's crazy. The chart's telling us we're going down. Everybody just wants it to go up. It's got to go down first before we go up, and that's what's happening. I don't think we've stopped. Now, if I get back to my, I just posted this at 11. It's already 1 o'clock. All right, so now look. I click that, and what you see is when the moving average, which is the 20 moving average, which is this purple line, crossed this this line right here. Okay, the 200 moving day. All right, we're just tracking that. All right, it crossed above it. Now over here, you'll see what this thing was looking like back at 11 o'clock. All right, now I'm gonna hit this play button so we can see where it's at now, what it's actually done. All right, which is this. Boom. All right, now look at that. You gotta take a look at that. That looks a lot different than what's behind us. Am I right? Now look, here it is. On the other one is down here. So this is actually a sideways sort of downtrend. All right, and it didn't pull in the moving average. All right, so I'm gonna go back. We'll go back over here and show you the big differences right here. See how that looks? And then look at this one. It's not touching here. It's already touching here, but that's because this linear regression updates every, it looks back 100 periods, whatever time period I'm in, like whatever candle bar period I'm in, like this is the 1 minute. So every 100 minutes it updates. All right, so it didn't get the update because the indicators don't update on this play button right here. All right, now you see how it's over here now, on top of the linear regression, right? You see that. All right, so now let's go back to the actual chart. In reality, and the linear regression has updated 100-day look back period. So yeah, that's the same thing. It's the same exact thing. And it's pointing downward, so I can, right now I believe we're going to downtrend until proven otherwise, until something turns up like this red line. When this red line turns up on the hourly over here, and I would say we're in an uptrend, but right now it's pointing downward, so I can't see this thing doing nothing but getting lower until this flattens out and goes straight across like it did back here. Let's see, has it ever go back? Has it ever went just straight across like this? Here's a time. Look at this, bloop, 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 bloop. So when we start seeing a bunch of this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, it crossed the below, and it crossed above. Let's zero in. Let's drill in. All right, let's drill in. Boom. All right. Auto tune it. Now that's kind of hard to see these yellow marks. I know it is. But there they are. Okay, so what you see is it crossed above, then immediately crossed below it, and then immediately crossed above it again, shaking everybody out. All right, unless you're a savvy trader, like we have to realize when these things happen like this, you don't want to be trying to figure out. So this is a neutral zone until we break out like something like this with this green. See that green? Look at that green. Look at that greenie. Look at that greenie. That's very green, right? Extremely green compared to everything else over here. This is what we need to be looking for. Or a really red bar to the downside. Look, even this fake you out right here, look. Oh, goodness. It's good to look back at when we had these super green moves. If you can get in right here, all it's up, going up, right? It's going up. Doesn't mean anything because it's going down here. It's going up. Let me try to get a good read on this because it goes up right here. Then this is where it starts to turn, right? And go flat. But it doesn't fall and turn down. It turns up. Like an S curve, like like a 2, right? Like a 2 curve, right? Let's just say that's a 2. That's what it looks like. It goes like this, but they call them S curves. And in the design world, these are sinuous trading. That's a new name, huh? Look at that. And then it comes down, crosses right here, crosses right there. If you would have traded right there and traded right there, that's probably 72 to 68. That's a big move. No, it's not. That's like 200 plus. That's a $400 move right there. You want to catch this on the upside right here. That's what you want to do. That's what we're trying to do. So it comes down and then it comes back up. All right, boom, 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 all the way up to where we're at now. Then sharply curves. It's in a downtrend. We're heading down, right? Until we're heading back up. We're heading down until we're headed back up. That's the best way I could describe it without confusing it, sounding like I'm picking a side. I'm a bearish bull, basically. I'm a bullish bear. Which one am I? I'm both of them, but times I'm more this or more that. Right now I'm gonna be thinking about this downturn right here. Even though this just turned up, we're headed back up before we're going down. We're headed down before we're going up. All right. Confusing, right? Welcome to the trader's world. All right, so there is a way to capitalize on these small moves, and that's what we're doing on this minute chart. I've been capitalizing. I've just been trying to swing home runs, and that's been messing me up kind of. Now trying to hit a home run is not working right now, especially when you think everyone knows it's going up. Oh, it's the New Year's Bitcoin. It goes up. Everybody's bullish, but we fail to realize that we've been heading up for the last for this whole year. You can't continue to move continuously up without correcting, which is what they call it, which is what I call profit taking. Okay, you got the likes of Jamie Dimon stepping up to bat. I believe they're shorting the hell out of this to get in at a lower price. But how low can we go? How low can we go? All right, so what I want to do is I kind of want to do another idea, publish another idea, and I will publish this idea, okay, with the audio fix, and I'm gonna put a link to this. It's going down, right? So that's all we can really say. I want to make a video of this and a link to my notes over here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys later. At Crypto Trader is my Twitter, at Crypto Trader _. Okay, and it's 1:30, December 29th.